Why would you buy this lens? It's too wide for street photography. Just save your money. That's were my thoughts when I was thinking about buying this lens. I bought it. It's big, it's heavy, and it's 24mm equivalent on the full frame. Fujifilm 16mm 6.1.4. For as long as I remember, I was a shy person and it's definitely not helping with street photography. So I thought this lens would help me to overcome my fear of approaching people on the streets. It's almost the same focal length as your iPhone camera. At the same time, it's a much bigger lens than the others, which I consider street photography lenses. Paired with X Pro 3, it just drags more unwanted attention on the streets when you're trying to capture those unique moments. The next day I got the lens, I mounted it on the camera, and I drove to the old center of the city to take to try to take some really nice photographs. They weren't really nice. Okay, I'll show you in a bit. If you're in Beijing, we can go out and shoot out. I'll just lend you the camera for a day. Come on, let's go! So I always try to warm up first. I'm trying to take like several shots just to, to feel the street, to feel the flow.
X1
是吗？
蔡司，
你看我的，
这个我也有，
也有是吗？
好几起。
很好，很好。Fuck, too many cameras. 你好。
what's going on? Are you doing something for fun or work?
Yeah, just street photography for my channel. You know, walking around because I'm free today. That's it. And you? You live here?
You going this way then?
Yeah.
Walk this way a little bit. So where have you been going, like for your street photography today?
Actually around this area, Hutons, you know, because it's always something new about this place. A lot of interesting people. You never know, and you never know who you can meet.
That's right. Do you live nearby?
No, actually pretty far away, but I like this place. So what this lens taught me, I'd say it's still hard for me to approach people on the streets, but you know, every time I go out there, it's getting easier and easier with every click of the shutter. I'll just continue practicing, and I wish you the same. Go out there and shoot some good street photographs. And I'll see you in the next one. I'll try to publish the new video every week, so you better subscribe so you don't miss every new series of the street photography on this channel. Thank you.